Alright, today we're going to do a video of an Okamoto OGM-1240UNC. It's new in 1995, serial number 8014. It has a FANUC 18i GC control. The machine's also equipped with a paper filtration coolant system. And you have a transformer, multi-tap transformer with the machine. We'll start with the internal grinding head. Runs nice and smooth. Let it run for a minute or two. Slow it down. We'll lift this up out of the way. Let that come to a stop. The machine does have a work locator. You can see it here, the marpost. We will start the external grinding wheel. Nice and quiet. First we'll jog the Z-axis. This is a ball screw driven axis. It's not hydraulic. Therefore, that's how it can be completely CNC, the machine. Again, also nice and quiet. Then you have your wheel head in and out. Again, also nice and quiet and smooth. I'm going to start the work head. Work head speed is variable up to 500 RPM. That's about 100 RPM. Speed it up. That's about 350 RPM. Again, nice and quiet. Stop that all. You have your hand wheel, so you can, for setup, jog nice and slow. Allows you to manually set up easier. Same thing with the X-axis. Machine's equipped with a tailstock. Presently, we have it set up for 220 volts. If you want to use the multi-tap transformer, you have the option to use whatever voltage you want, up to 480 volts. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.